This is to inform in the press briefing that the overall stock position of the country is comfortable. For Kharif 2026, the fertilizer requirement has been reassessed by the Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare at 383.9 lakh metric ton. And against this, the stock as on today is 197.56 lakh metric ton, that is more than 51%, significantly higher than the usual level of 33%. The purchase of fertilizer has been about 86.65 lakh metric ton for the ongoing Kharif. That is approximately 22.57% of the total requirement. Besides, I would like to apprise that the farmers have also procured 11.17 lakh metric ton of organic manure in the season compared to 3.20 LMT during the corresponding period last year. This substantial increase reflects a positive trend towards greater adoption of the organic nutrient sources and a gradual shift in the farmers' preference from chemical fertilizer to the organic alternatives. At present, there is no major challenge in availability. The domestic production and import continues, and a total of 147.40 lakh metric ton have been imported as well as domestically manufactured after the crisis situation. In the ongoing June, more than 25 lakh metric ton of imported urea, DAP and PKs have arrived at the ports, and a tender of 17 LMT of urea is under progress. Besides, we are regular with all the subsidy bills are being paid as per the budgetary provision, and the situation is being monitored at the highest level in the empowered group of secretary meetings to ensure adequate availability of fertilizer and raw material.